So we're going to go into Jay-Z's Blue Room and have a tour.
Do you guys like what I did with the shop? The Blue Room works. I mean, I am walking on my knee that was destroyed 3.5 years ago. More fun things coming. Thank you. Bye, baby. Oh, she loves you.
Jay-Z Knight invented the Blue Room in 2015 with the help from her co-developer, Dr. Matthew Martinez. As a chiropractor, Matt was able to use the feedback from his hands that told him how the Blue Room prepared his patients in advance for a chiropractic adjustment. He found that his patients were more relaxed. They had less pain, less physical resistance to the adjustment, and their bodies held the adjustments he gave for far longer periods.
This is the Blue Room. This is an augmenter of your mind. The patient will lie here, the frequency will be turned on, and away you go.
In March of 2018, Jay-Z received a U.S. patent for her Blue Room invention. The Blue Room is a new environment. It bumps you into a different part of your brain and opens a door for a new mind perspective. Since the mind is the greatest healer, and the mind is inextricably intertwined with DNA, the Blue Room can augment our natural healing abilities. So these rooms are designed to create an atmosphere of the Blue Realm that temporarily, for a few days after your session, will bring you to that stasis, that point of neutral, that center point that's neither one extreme or the other. And it allows the body to heal, it alleviates pain, you sleep better, and for a whole host of physical conditions that have their root in the chemistry of our emotional attitudes, the body can find relief. There are right now 36 Blue Room services around the planet and growing. The Shiva complex, we have 3. We have 2 Italian models that are manufactured in Italy and shipped around the world, and we have 1 locally built model. And our latest addition in Jay-Z's vision of the future is a small-scale version called Blue Pet for small animals. Next up will be the large animal version for racehorses and other large farm animals. So that's coming soon. Washington State University, Pullman Veterinary College will be a part of that program for the large animal Blue Room.